Welcome to Raigurkul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to use reusable rules in Testrigor. Nowadays, we are discussing about Testrigor, which is intelligent automation tool used for automating our regular activity. This tool is amazing tool without using or without writing single line of code. We can automate our regular stuff. So in last video we have automated mrs system where simply we have to navigate it to the login page. From the login page we just need to enter the username and password, and post entering the password we have to select the locations. And here what we have did, we have registered one candidate. So if you can see the code or the script which is generated at the back end when we have automated, it's totally into the plain English language. So here, so let's say if we want to reduce the number of steps which is needed when we are working in the complex process, we have more than 100 lines of the script, then it's always been preferred to make our script in a short case, like using reusable rules. When we apply the reusable rules, we'll remove some of the steps which we are doing on repetitive tasks. So let's say if I want to register for the multiple patients, rather than entering all this detail into multiple time, we can use one single keyword which is called as reusable rules. So we just have to define that reusable rules and we can use it. Let's say here, if we want to enter the name of the portions, definitely we'll remove these two steps and we can add a single step here. So I will show you how we can perform this activity. First, we need to copy this and navigate it to the reusable rules. Once we'll click it here, we simply have to define the name, what names we want it. So here we are giving as a patient name, and labels we can add any label like patient, and simply we have to copy and paste the complete code here. So once we are done, we'll get two options here. Just save it, or if we want to update into any specific file wherever this field is there, it will automatically update it. So let's simply, we have to click save and then find and replace steps. Once we'll click it, it will search in all of my test cases and update the field. So it will automatically capture the data whichever is available inside our test suite, and it will ask for or authentication or providing for the authentication. Once will confirm replace selected, it will replace all of my test cases with this keyword. So here I'm just copying and pasting into my test case. Simply I will navigate it to my test case, and what I need to define here, we have to use this reusable rules in different locations. If we are writing two lines of code rather than writing, we can use just single line of statement. This will make our steps, or this will remove all few of the steps so that it will not create a complexity. Now, if you can see here, patient name has been updated, but rather than giving into the patient name, we have to define the value. So enter this name has been updated. Now it was click as next button. So rather than clicking on next button, we can also use few of the other steps. Here we have defined DOB or the date of birth for that person. So let's copy this and make other reusable rules. So here I am just writing DOB, again DOB here, copy and paste the value. So rather than writing all this, it will write just DOB over there. So if I want to make the changes to be applicable for all my test cases, I will select save, then find and replace steps. And you can see this has been replaced with this. If I want to modify at any point of the time about these reusable rules, or if I want to remove it or delete it, simply I will click here and it will delete it for me as a permanently. So let's navigate it to our test case and see this has been updated or not. So click on edit steps and you can see DUB has been updated here. In the similar steps, we can add for the address as well, because in address we have defined multiple steps. So I'm just copying and pasting, save, and go to reusable rules. Here, simply paste it. So rather than writing all four steps into one single test case, it will be easy to just write address over there. So what I will do, save them and find and replace the test cases. This has been also updated. And if I want to execute this test case, it will run, or it will pass my test case like previous one. So here the address here is also getting updated. Now, if I will click on update and retest, it will start executing the process. It means we have removed total 6 to 7 steps to remove the complexity of the test cases or complexity of the automation flow. What happen when we are working in any specific test case, and it will generate 100 lines of the plain English language test. It might be difficult for someone who is viewing first time to update or make the changes accordingly. So rather than writing all this, whether all these steps to be defined in reusable rules, which will help the other person to make the changes accordingly. And this will again make this process easy to update at any point of time. So you can see we have just run with the DOB and it is captured with the reusable rules. This is how the power of this reusable rule and this tool, which is an amazing intelligent automation tool to automate our regular activity in just plain English language. This will capture all these screenshots, or all these steps screenshots in regular interval. So if we missed anything, we can see it from here. So this is all about reusable rules and test trigger. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you really think so, this is an amazing tool. Don't forget to share within your circle. And if you have any thoughts about this tool, you can add inside the comment sections. Thank you for watching.